Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been too long. I took the summer off from my channel and now I'm back. It's fall, the holidays are upon us, and I wanted to catch up. So today we're going to do a quick get ready with me look, a dash out the door look, and we're going to get caught up on a couple of things. It was a really hot summer here. I don't know where you guys are from. I live in the Northeast, and we really had an unprecedented few weeks of excessive heat. In a way, it was kind of nice because we normally don't get that, but this year it was very, very, very hot. That was good in a lot of ways because I got to swim in my pool a lot more than I normally have, because in prior years it's just been, it's always hot up here, but it just hasn't been hot enough to get in the pool. Time with the family, getting in and out of the pool, splashing around. That was good. We did do a little bit of traveling. Went to a wedding. It was my son's best friend wedding. It was really, really precious. I'm so glad that I went. This is the Mary Kay Time Wise Daytime Defender with sunscreen SPF 30 in it. I have used this faithfully all summer. I absolutely love it. You know, you only need about that much. Really love this product for keeping me safe from the sun. And I like this product because this is what I can use on my neck, put the necklace back there, and on my décolleté, because it's really, really important to keep these areas protected from the sun. Next, I'm loving the Bioma. I think that's how we say it, Bioma products. I also use this toner. I love it. It's a balancing face mist. I guess it's a toner. It's their triceramide complex with probiotics. I absolutely love this. I just give my skin a quick spritz with that. I forgot to film that part. I put that on before I put on my Mary Kay product. And then I followed up with this really nice moisturizer from the Bioma line. It's their moisturizing gel cream. It's got their triceramide complex in it with niacinamide and green tea. This is such a lovely, lovely moisturizer. It is really thin, yet it hydrates really, like, surprisingly well. I was really blown away by it, and I got it in the smaller size because I wanted to check it out. I didn't want to, like, really, not that it was a pricey product, I just didn't want to invest in a full-size product until I knew if I liked it. Because let's think about it. There are moisturizers all over the market, and I just didn't want to go all the way in until I knew if I was going to like it or not. And as it turns out, I absolutely love it. This product that I've recently discovered, I'm really liking. This is the Ilia. Hopefully you can see that. And it's called their Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. It's got niacinamide, squalene, and hyaluronic acid in it. I really am loving this product. Yes, I'm wearing two sunscreens. Why? Because I don't like to get sun damage on my skin. I spent the better part of my youth never wearing sunscreen, and I don't want any more damage. So the product dispenses like this. It comes out in a dropper. I apply with my fingers, I guess, because I'm gonna use this mirror down here because it's kind of hard to see up there. And I just rub this in kind of like a sunscreen. You can use a brush with this, or even, I wouldn't use a wet sponge with this because this product is already supposed to be a little bit sheer. It was really nice. It dries down really well, and I think it gives pretty decent coverage for what it is, for being like more of a serum with a tint. I really like the idea of this product, and I'm wanting to try more of these types of serums, but this one really came, I saw so many videos and good things about it that I really wanted to try. But I've tried a couple of other cosmetics from their line, but this was something that really intrigued me, and I'm here to tell you it does not disappoint, because it's just an easy day, and I just want a light covering. You could, of course, build this up if you wanted to. Applying it with a wet sponge is going to make it a little more sheer. Applying it with a sponge or with a brush, you're going to get a little deeper coverage. So it's whatever it is that you want. Another product that I discovered this summer was this L'Oreal Infallible Brows 24-Hour Volumizing Brow Mascara. I really like this product. I liked it for a lot of reasons. It gives really good coverage to your brow hairs, and the applicator is really unique. It's flat on one end, and it's got longer bristles and shorter bristles. It looks like it's a rubber applicator, and I really do like this because your girl here has white eyebrows. Now, I do have to dye these, and I dye them with Just for Men, and I've got a video I did on that, and I can link it up here for you to look at on how to dye your brows if they're all white. And this is good as an in-betweener to just keep that color rich, and it also tames down the eyebrows really well. I relate everything to hot yoga. I go to hot yoga. I'm obsessed with hot yoga now. I'm actually getting my teaching certification to do it. I love it that much. But hot yoga is it's a whole vibe when you go to hot yoga. You cannot wear makeup. Okay, let's put it that way. And if you do, you better have something on waterproof that is not going to move, because you will sweat in hot yoga, and I love it. And if you choose to wear products, you don't want it all the way down your face or getting in your eyes. This withstands hot yoga. And I'm going to start alerting you to the products that do withstand the sweating in hot yoga. Because new brushes, and I'm going to tell you all about these new brushes that I got in a separate video about some of the newer products that I've accumulated. So for right now, we're going to use this e.l.f. palette. This is called Mad for Matte, and these is called Nude Mood. I saw this palette and I just loved all these colors because it's good. It's a good neutral palette. It's also good going into fall, but I'm not doing a lot of shimmer these days. Maybe closer towards the holidays, I will add a little bit of a shimmer, but lately I've just been kind of doing just like a matte shade because I am a little bit older and I do have a lot of texture on my eyes, so I try to avoid it. I won't say you have to avoid it completely if you have texture on your eyes, because you don't. There's just specific or strategic ways that you want to place it. But for today's, all intents and purposes today, I'm just doing a quick wash of color because we're not really going many places today, and we just want to have a little bit of color on our skin. So it doesn't tell me what these shades are, so I'm just gonna dip into this third one over here. Just lay down a little bit of color here to give me some dimension. And I'm using these BK Beauty brushes. Like I said, these are going to be included in another video. These are really nice. And the reason I picked these up was, I can't think of the woman's name. I'll link it down below, that invented these or is the founder of these. These are designed for people with hooded eyes or very small eyes. And I fall into both categories because I have hooded eyes and my eyes are a little bit smaller. And a lot of times your regular brushes that are meant for your eyes are pretty dang big and you can't get in there and, you know, really carve out any, I'm sorry, I'm trying to concentrate on this at the same time, and it's been a while. I can't really, with brushes that are too big, it's really hard to get the look that you're going for, and especially with hooded eyes when your lid disappears and you've got to be creative. All those other things. I've done videos on that before. So I'm really loving these brushes for the reason that they're small for us, and I like the quality of the brushes. They feel good in my hand. I like the quality of the bristles, and they washed up really nice so far, so good. So I'm really so shout out to BK Beauty for your set of eye brushes made for those of us with hooded or small eyes. I'm really excited about that because this is with this light shade here, and I'm just gonna just blend all this together. I was gonna say smoosh it all together, but that's probably not the word. But we're just gonna blend this all in so that we don't have any harsh lines, because ain't nobody got time for that. Some other things I've been doing while I've been on hiatus and took my whole summer off, as you may have noticed, we got our nose pierced. Yeah, I know. I'm a little bit old, but I really don't care. No, I just don't care. It's something I've always wanted, and I decided to just do it a while back, and I'm glad that I did do it. And it's not for everybody, I guess. But it was just something I wanted to do. And, you know, you only live once, so I got it done. My daughter tells me I look absolutely ridiculous with my little nose ring, but I don't care. This is the hoop. I've changed it out. I had a diamond stud in there, and I have a pink opal that I got, and I cannot wait to put that in. I mean, you have to really wait a long time with the nose rings until they heal up really well. And I'm dying to put that pink opal in, and you'll see, and I'll probably point it out to you, or somebody can point it out to me. But either way, I'm doing me. 55, this is what you get. This is what you get. Okay, moving on. So I've been trying out a lot of mascaras lately. I told you I'm doing a lot of hot yoga, and if I'm going to be spending more time in the yoga studio, I needed a really good waterproof mascara. Not all waterproof mascaras are cut out the same, so I'll probably do a video on that because I saved the containers when I was done with them. But this one in particular, this is the Maybelline the Falsies Volume Express Waterproof. Has proven to be a very good waterproof mascara that holds up. So even if you don't do hot yoga like I do, if you exercise or you're oh, I just got it up there, hold on. Oh, I got it quickly enough. All is not lost. I thought I was going to scrape that off. If you ever do get mascara up there, you know what you do? You don't hurry up or lick your finger and do that. You can take the end of this, wait till it dries. I know that sounds crazy. Wait till it dries and take the end of your brush and gently scrape, and sometimes it'll come off. I have this Milani blush that it is probably too old to be using. I'm contradicting myself when I tell you people to please throw your cosmetics away timely. This is my Milani Baked Blush. I still have it. I've got to get rid of it. But you know what I'm going to get next? I don't know if you've seen the Rare Beauty. They're in a container that looks just like this, and they look like they've got a little bit of, wow, look at all the fallout. A little bit of glow to them. I'm definitely going to pick that up hopefully this week and try that on because, oh, just absolutely beautiful blush. From everything. I really did. And something else you may or may not have noticed, I've had a significant amount of weight loss, and you're probably going to see a lot more texture on my skin, and I am friends with a very good cosmetic surgeon. And we are going to be doing a field trip there very soon to see what he has to offer. Of course, I do Botox. I've done some filler. And all of that I have just kind of let lax because I wanted to start out with absolutely nothing. So we're going to be going there. If you have any questions for my cosmetic surgeon, let me know. Leave those down in the comments below because I'm going to take these with me when I go to see him. Things you would like to ask a cosmetic surgeon if you're considering Botox, filler, a facelift, a neck lift, anything like that, breast augmentation, liposuction. He does all of those things. And we can talk to him about it. So let me know. This is a new product that I also picked up. This was the Clinique Black Honey, and this is a really nice, it's like a pigmented lip gloss, but more than a lip gloss, but more than a lip balm. It's hard to explain. It's a very popular product. You hear me trying to say that with a lipstick in my mouth? It lays down good color. I mean, it's not going to last forever, but it gives you a little bit of shine, and it's good for a day like today where we're just doing a little bit. So there you are. Here's our finished look today. Wait, we need to do a little bit of powder. And this is the One Size pink powder. Oh, I love this stuff. My future daughter-in-law, who will be my daughter-in-law officially in exactly 363 days from today. It will be legal. They're getting married. Bought this for me, and I love this product so much because, you know, when you have a lot of texture on your skin, like I'm getting, wow, you know what? These lights really make it look like I just doused myself with a lot of powder. I really didn't put that much on. This powder is wonderful. It really helps to blur imperfections, and it does a great job of controlling any oil. So there we are, today's video. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. It's really great to be back. And again, if you have any questions for my cosmetic surgeon, let me know because I'll be getting that video ready in the upcoming weeks.